Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share an Iranian vegetarian recipe, Persian lentil rice, as known as Polo. This dish is made by rice, lentils, raisins, and onions. Really simple ingredients, but tastes like heaven. Wish you guys would enjoy it. Here are the ingredients. 3 cups of basmati rice, 1.5 cups of dry lentils, 2.5 cups of raisins, 3 medium size of onions, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and some salt. Okay, let's start. First, rinse the rice until the water turns clear. If you didn't rinse the rice completely in this step, the rice might be mushy at last. That's why don't be lazy. Rinse the rice for a few more times. After that, add 3 tablespoons of salt to the rice. Set aside and soak it for an hour. For the raisins, rinse it, set aside and soak for a while too. Right now, start to prepare the lentils. Rinse it and check if there are any small stones in the lentils. If yes, just pick them out. Check carefully. I bet nobody would like to have some stones in their rice, right? After that, prepare a pot of water. Here I did a mistake. I should use a bigger pot instead of a frying pan. Okay, never mind. Keep cooking. Place the lentils in our pot. Add some salt and simmer for around 20 to 30 minutes with medium-low heat until it becomes tender. "30 minutes later, the lentils are soft and prepared. Then we can drain the water and set aside. Let's start to cook the rice. Today, I use the rice cooker to cook this food. It's much easier and a surefire way. Put our rice in the rice cooker. Add 4.5 cups of water, a little bit salt and vegetable oil. Put the lid on and cook for around 20 minutes until the water evaporates. You should adjust the time a bit, depends on your rice cooker. 20 minutes later, you don't see too much water left and the rice is in this texture. Then we can add our cooked lentils in the rice and mix them well. Add half of our raisins too. Put the lid on and simmer for another 25 minutes. When we are waiting for the rice, we can start to prepare our caramelized onions. Grate all the onions. Medium-low heat. Put around 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the saucepan. Place all the onions in the pan and saute them slowly until it becomes golden brown. Remember, you must saute the onions with medium-low heat instead of high heat. Maybe it spends quite a long time, but it's worth to do this. The caramelized onions will definitely level up the taste of your lentil rice. When the onions in this color, we can add our cinnamon powder and turmeric. Fry a little bit and add the rest of our raisins. Fry for around 2 minutes, then it's ready to serve. The lentil rice is ready too. Add our caramelized onions in the rice and mix them well. Right now, it's the time to enjoy your meal. 努西酱